morning. Today I am going to tell you about a method of separation evaporation. Evaporation process is very familiar to us. It is the process of changing of state of matter, and it takes place always at every temperature. First, I am going to define the term evaporation. The process of conversion of a liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. It means the molecules of liquid first get escaped from the upper surface of the liquid. So it is a surface phenomena. Also, it takes place at normal temperature, or we can say at even at very low temperature. This method is used to obtain a dissolved solid constituent in a liquid. For example, sugar from sugar water solution, sugar water mixture. For the purpose, we take the solution in a vessel and place it on a dry pot. After that, we start supply heat to the mixture by a burner. After some time, we find that the liquid of the mixture, liquid component of this mixture gets changed into vapor and rises up in the atmosphere. Gradually, the liquid component, that is water, here suppose sugar water mixture, all the water present in the mixture gets escaped in the form of water vapor, and finally the sugar remain in the vessel as solid. In this way, we can separate any dissolved solid component of a mixture. This process is used to obtain salt from seawater. Seawater is collected in big shallows and allowed for evaporation. The water of the seawater gets changed gradually in water vapor and goes to the atmosphere in sunlight, and the salt remains as solid. From here, this solid containing salt containing impurity is purified by the process crystallization. Evaporation process is very useful for us. Due to evaporation of water from water sources, cloud is formed and we get rain. Rain is possible If there is no evaporation, then raining process may not take place. Due to evaporation process, our wet cloths get dried up. So it is very important physical process to obtain, to separate a dissolved solid in a liquid, or for a number of domestic functions. Thanks.